Good morning, family. Last day of the 5-star tournament, No Nature Buff Booster. And defense is still at a D. All right, well, let's get into it. Oh, man, this looks so ridiculous. But it's pretty damn nasty stats. Okay. Um, we'll just do a few modifications. Um, mm, all right, I need to turn the game sound. Sorry about that. I'm just focusing. Ooh. What are we gonna do? Okay, I got an idea. This might be crazy enough to work. Let's see here. Let's see. It's this will be fun. All right. No, we don't need to. Just in case. No, let's give him this one. 11. Let's go for this. This should be fun, even if I don't win. Ooh. Okay. Cut it out. Cut it out. Hmm. much more? 2? 1. Two turns of ailment blocking. I know who he's gonna hit. The big guy. Oh. I'm just not gonna deal with this. What's the point of taking out the hero? Why do they always go after the same freaking hero all the time? Okay. Oh, I like this right here. Because I want to use her Senna. Okay. I'm just using random heroes at this point. Why not, right? Okay. Let's see. Let's do... None of these tiles are really useful. Well, Okay, let me get up for this one. Let's get rid of. Oh, he can't be poisoned. Oh. Wow. That's just. Huh. I don't really know how I turned around like that. All right. What's he do? Oh, fiends. Hmm. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think I got an idea. Uh, let's see. Okay, let's go with this. A lot of reds. All right, so we'll protect ourselves from that. Please don't hit a hero that's weak. Wow. How the hell does they always end up hitting the same hero that's about to die? I just. Oh, that pisses me off. Garbage. All right. Last day ends like any other. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. All right. Peace out, and I mean it.